G'day folks, it is Chris from Ultra RC Hobbies. Today I'm coming at you with the Traxxas Widemaxx kit for the Xmaxx. So I've got my Xmaxx here, my green Xmaxx. She's looking a little narrow. You know, that's one thing I've always said about the Xmaxx is like, oh, it's an awesome truck, it's really great, but it is a little narrow for its size. So Traxxas has released this. I've got the first delivery here. This is in blue. No, I've got a green truck. So we're going to take care of that another day. You can't really choose on the first deliveries what color it is. So let's get this opened up and we'll talk about what's inside. So inside the box, we've got some heavy duty suspension arms, lower and upper, because of course this is a Widemaxx kit. We're going to need wider arms. This truck is going to be, this kit is going to add 2.36 inches or 60 millimeters of width to this truck. So that's going to be really nice. And also it's going to have a longer drive shaft in here. So you get some heavy duty long drive shafts and then 1.346 rate springs. So having the extra width on this truck, it's going to need a little bit more spring rate to help hold it up. So they also include those so that we're going to take the shocks apart and put all that together. So also they give you a nice little tiny little pamphlet. I mean, it's pretty straightforward on how to change this stuff. So yeah, there it is. Everything looks really nice. Ooh. So without further ado, let's get this bad boy installed in that bad boy. So we've got the one corner all apart, the left front corner. Before I wang this all together and show you guys it all together and everything, let's take a minute and compare everything. So here's the lower control arm, the stock one. Well, not stock, but aftermarket green one from Traxxas. Now look at the difference. So let's line these holes up. Look at that. Oh yeah, that is some extra width. That on both sides is gonna make some real difference. Like even the drive shaft length. Look at this difference here. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? So I'm gonna continue on putting this together, change all my springs over. I got all my parts laid out, some grease for my axle shafts, and let's get this in together and let's see how it looks all together. Okay, so we're out here with the Traxxas Xmaxx. We got the Widemaxx kit all installed. Look at the beauty on the width of that thing. It's gorgeous. It looks great. Really happy with the setup. Everything went together really nicely. So there's only really one thing left to do, you know, and it's the one thing I love to do, and that's drive the crap out of this thing. So without further ado, let's get to it. It's definitely hard to see once it gets ripping. That is some soft powder right there. Full pin! It's working to get through that stuff, man. It's working. Man, I gotta turn it around and get it out of there now. Woo! She's a little beast. Handles awesome with this Widemaxx on here. Much more stability. Looks good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Sounds good. Planted in the snow. I gotta reach over here and get it. Oh yeah, I got it. Oh yeah, I can walk on this stuff, no problem. Let's give her a little. Oh no, that's not gonna work either. I think we gotta give her a little throw and throttle. Oh, that didn't work either. Oh, it's too heavy. Oh, now it's deep. Oh no, good thing I wore kind of boots. Oh. Oh, it's deep. Why are you so snowy? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, my boots are so full of snow. My boots are full of snow! Ah! This is why you gotta have great friends. Like, that is some deep snow. Oh, he's on top of it now. Oh, sunk again. Oh, I gotta drive this thing over here. So, nice hill climb here. Oh yeah, this is gonna work just fine. We lost the GoPro real quick. But yeah, this stuff's got lots of traction, man. We just gotta walk all the way up here and then we're gonna do a little sendy, you know? Because you can't really have a good time with RcDeibs without giving it a little send it and see if it lands it type thing. You know what I mean. This road. Too much power. It's amazing. Matthew rescues the Xmaxx once again as it comes down for its victory lap and doesn't smash into my car because that would suck. Overall, man, like, I can't wait to try this kit out in the dirt and in nice weather, but just the way the truck drives right now, it is so much nicer. It's a lot more stable, it puts a lot more power down, so like, this is a worthwhile kit to get, in my opinion. Definitely worth it. So we're gonna have a little drag race out here in the field here because they got a nice little section plowed. So we got the Xmaxx, the Widemaxx kit, of course, everyone knows. And then we have the 2200 kV UDR motor powered axial rift running on a high voltage 4-cell. So I've been working on this guy for a little while now and it's coming along real well. We got the Proline Black Mamas on there, 45 or 40 kg power HD servo. So let's put this bad boy up against that bad boy. All right, Matt, what do you think? Who do you think is gonna win? Definitely the Xmaxx. Well, I mean, the rift's pretty quick, but I mean, yeah, it is a lot smaller.
Not so much in here.
Yeah, so let's give it a shot. We got the GoPro down there. We'll get the finish line. This is a short race, so on your marks, get set, go! That was a close race, Matt. You just lost it right.
For a second there.
You lost it right at the end. That's it. He's got a lot of power. You can launch it right over the bank, did you? Oh yeah, she hauls the mail. Oh, so close. Yeah, almost crushed a little rip. That little thing, it just rips. Oh yeah, upside down belly. Oh, it fell right through. Stepped a little too hard there. Good one right here. still good. Tumbles will not self-correct itself in the winter. Not with these tires, at least. They just don't balloon. Right on the back bumper. It's still good. It's an Xmaxx. It takes a beating. Oh, don't hit the roof. Arms are all holding out good. Nothing's breaking. We're just tossing it now. We're just doing a good durability test. It's classic Traxxas. It's gonna take the beating you send out to it. So don't even worry about it. The Widemaxx kit is good. Yeah, I'll count that. That was a good move. Oh man, it just trucks through the snow, no problem. Oh, it turned off. I think something came unplugged or something there. Well, it looks like we were a victim of the cold weather, and the zip tie that holds my speed control together kind of snapped, and my battery came unplugged. So, without running the risk of damaging it anymore, we're gonna call it a day there. So that is the Widemaxx kit for the Traxxas Xmaxx, and totally has my seal approval. Went together awesome, works awesome, truck drives really good. It just handles this stuff really well. So yeah, that's my video for today. Hope you guys like it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more stuff like this, more of the Rift. I got the SCX6 ready to go for some trailing, so let me know. Bye guys, have a great day.